Okay, today we're going to show you how to fix your remote control for your On TV. We're going to show you several methods for fixing this problem. If you stay with us all the way to the end of the video and try each of these methods, there is a very high probability that this problem will be solved for you. Okay, the first thing to try is one of the simplest things you can do, and in most cases, this will fix your problem and you won't need to go on any further. You basically want to remove the batteries from the remote, then unplug the TV from the wall, wait 60 seconds, try to wait the full 60 seconds, and then plug the TV back in. Once the TV comes up to the main screen, just put the batteries back in the remote and try to use the remote and see if it works. If that works, great. If not, let's try one more thing. Take the batteries out of the remote again. As crazy as this might sound, I want you to go through and push each button on the remote a few times. Over time, dust and gunk builds up in those buttons. And by doing this, you'll go through and free up some of the buttons that might be stuck, and this causes the remote to malfunction. In the unlikely event that this did not fix your remote, you can try replacing both batteries in the remote with fresh ones, or order a new replacement remote. We'll put a link down in our description box where you can find a new replacement remote. That's our video for today. As always, thank you very much for watching, and please remember to subscribe.